What is good, YouTube family? I know it's been a minute, but I got a nice one for you guys. I'm working on a pair of UNC 5s. Y'all stay tuned. I just want to take the time to apologize. I haven't been posting in a while. Now, my YouTube page isn't as big as my other platforms, and I just don't really post as much in detailed videos of my shoes. Things just been a little bit crazy here lately over the past couple years, and I've personally been slacking. I do, however, want to take the time to say that I am working on a few projects as we speak, and I also want to say thank you for viewing my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. What is good, family? Yes, sir. As you guys can see, we got these UNC 5s, and they're type cooked, but you already know DS Kicks is about to get them right. Crazy oxidation, crazy uppers. Just look at that up close. And my whole goal is to make these look unrecognizable. So first off, what we're gonna do to start off this restoration is take these laces, the lace locks, and these insoles outside of the shoe. Okay, y'all, we now have the laces out of the shoes. So now we are going to continue this restoration with a dry cleaning of the UNC Blue Nubuck that is going to have a major difference in the outcome of this Nubuck. Because as you guys can see, there's stains all throughout. It's fading. But yeah, let's get it.
Perfect.
Okay, everybody, now that we got the uppers dry clean, we are now going to start the cleaning process, which is touching up these bottoms. I like to work from the soles up when it comes to re-icing shoes. So let's get into it. Okay, everybody, this is the best I can do. Now, as you can see, there is a difference. There's a major difference, but I just couldn't get that factory icy blue back. That took a lot of time, but there's nothing really much I can do with the soles. Let's move on to the uppers. Faded in a whole lot of places on the uppers, and in some it's just stripped of the color. So let's go ahead and re-dye that. let's get to wrapping up these shoes. I don't know about y'all, but the UNC Blue 5s always give me a hard time when it comes to cleaning or redying of the blue I have. And this is my first time airbrushing a shoe. As far as nubuck or suede, I usually use a paintbrush. So is the second or third coat. I ended up putting around 4 or 5 coats in total. I'm not gonna lie, this video is kind of all over the place with the clips. I ended up losing about 3 or 4 of the clips from the icing process as well as the cleaning process. As I said, this is coat 2 or 3. Definitely wanted to take my time with this part and ensure between every single coat I made sure the nubuck dried, as well as brushed in between each coat to ensure the best results possible.
Perfect.
Alright, DS Kicks family, this is gonna wrap it up for this restoration. And I'm not gonna lie to you, if these shoes were brought to me a little bit sooner, I could have got better results. But there is some staining still left that the dye and the cleaning couldn't take care of, as well as some scratches on the nubuck, as well as the bottoms didn't get as icy as I wanted them to. But overall, these 5s look 1,000 times better. Y'all go ahead and tap in, man.
Perfect.
Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.